Let's go to task B5, which is getting to the end of the paper, I think. So I'm going to close this. I don't need any more. Task B5 say Benny wants a list of all customers who have booked tickets for the skating show on 13th February 2019. This list should show only the fields first name and surname for the customer table and number tickets from the booking table. Be sorted in ascending order of number of tickets from the booking table. Create a query to find information from the linked tables. Save the query as B5. So I'm going to create a query. I need information from customers and booking. And I'm going to add the information in the right order from the right table. So first name and surname from the customer table, first name, surname, and number tickets from booking. 13th of February, so I just noticed that the criteria is 13th February. So this should be in the event table, which is not here. So I'm going to show, right click, show table, put the event table, close here, and add event date. Later on, I will untick this to hide the date, but I'm going to put now 13th of this February 19th, and I'm going to check the information. So yeah, this is the information from this event date. I'm checking, I think it's right. So I'm going to come back here, hide this, run again, perfect. And then it has to be sorted in ascending order. So it has to be sorted in ascending order of number of tickets. So I'm going to go, well, basically I can do it from here. In ascending order of number of tickets. I'm going to resave this. I haven't put the name, so I'm going to put B5. B5, this is important. So I've got B5 here. And I say, Benny wants to produce a database report from the results of query B5. So this results in a report. Create a database report to display the results. The data report must have a suitable title. Show only the required fields. This is already here. Show the records sorted as required when booking. So should be fine now. Make sure the columns and header are easy to understand. Enter task B5 and your name, candidate number in the center in the page footer. Check the layout content fit for the purpose. Make sure the database reports fit onto one side A4. So basically I'm going to go to create report wizard is that query, so all fields, next, next, and next. I can choose number of tickets just in case, but it's already sorted. I'll leave it like that. In portrait, I think it's enough. I'm going to put already customers with tickets for the skating on 10th the 2nd of 2019. I think it's enough. I can put 13th February 2019, but I'm quite lazy. So this is the error that you can have before. You remember we've done this happened before. So what I'm going to do is close this, close that again, open B5, which is going to give me an error probably again. I'm going to hide there. This is a different way to do it, just in case you have this problem. So I'm run the query, save it, and close it. And I'm going to do the report again. So I'm going to do the report, everything except event date, which I don't need that one. Next, 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 make sure number of tickets, next, next, customers with tickets for the skating show on 13th February 2019. Okay. Customers, and then okay, this is fine, the information is there, it's not brilliant, but it's there. So now I'm going to close the print preview and I'm going to make sure the information is properly. So I'm going to put this like that, going to close it. It's taking slightly longer than I thought, but with the time I have spent on the different tasks, I thought plenty time in 2 hours to finish the exam. You will have 3, so don't worry. That's perfect. I have to put my name, candidate number, all of this in the page footer, so I'm going to leave a little bit of a space here and use that one, remember, level, to put a rectangle so I can insert task, in this case B5, name and surname plus candidate number, and then send the number. I'm going to make sure I've got first name, a little bit less. It's not necessary this amount of space actually. And tickets. I'm going to see how it looks like. Still, there's no, I don't like very much this, but it could work. I can put, why this is like that, and this is the same, and then tickets, I can align to the, maybe to the left, and this I can align to the left too, to see, or to the middle, and then much better maybe like that, so I can see how it looks like. It's not brilliant, but I can work with that if you want to, and I can see the information there. Obviously here I can go straight away to print preview, make sure I have the right Wi-Fi, and I'm going to print and choose the right printer and print. Remember, you can always, I'm going to save it, you can always, if necessary, you can right click, export to PDF, and then say for example on the desktop if you need it, with the right name, and publish. Okay, this gives me an error. I don't know how it's going to work, but I can go and printing from here. So you can try different things. All right, make sure you print the report. I'm going to close here. I always will suggest to print from, I know it was not that one, it was that one, to print from Access if you can, unless you have to insert a picture. Remember, we did that before, and then the picture doesn't show when you print. So if that happens, export to PDF and then print it. But that's not difficult, and again there are 7 more marks to the pocket.